Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
I reach school on time.
I reach school on time.
I greet my teacher.
I greet my teacher.
I say good morning to my friends.
I say good morning to my friends.
I go to my classroom.
I go to my classroom.
I sit on my bench.
I sit on my bench.
I open my school bag.
I open my school bag.
I open my notebook.
I open my notebook.
I write with a pencil.
I write with a pencil.
I read my lesson.
I read my lesson.
I learn new words.
I learn new words.
I repeat after my teacher.
I repeat after my teacher.
I raise my hand to answer.
I raise my hand to answer.
I ask questions in class.
I ask questions in class.
I listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
I complete my work.
I complete my work.
I count numbers.
I count numbers.
I draw pictures.
I draw pictures.
I color neatly.
I color neatly.
I write neatly.
I write neatly.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating.
I open my lunchbox.
I open my lunchbox.
I eat my lunch slowly.
I eat my lunch slowly.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I throw waste in the dustbin.
I I throw waste in the dustbin.
I go back to class after lunch.
I go back to class after lunch.
I respect my teachers.
I respect my teachers.
I help my friends.
I help my friends.
I do my classwork.
I do my classwork.
I keep my classroom clean.
I keep my classroom clean.
I show my notebook to my teacher.
I show my notebook to my teacher.
I stand in a line.
I stand in a line.
I share my things with friends.
I share my things with friends.
I like my teacher.
I like my teacher.
I help my classmates.
I help my classmates.
I sit quietly on my chair.
I sit quietly on my chair.
I speak politely.
I speak politely.
I enjoy my school day.
I enjoy my school day.
I listen to my friends.
I listen to my friends.
I stand up when the teacher comes.
I stand up when the teacher comes.
I go home happily.
I go home happily. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.